it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. Hello. Please don't mind my cat. My cat's in the background. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my quarantine glow up routine. I don't know. I don't really wear makeup during the quarantine, but times where I feel down and I need a pick-me-up, I do love wearing makeup. It's one of the many things that cheers me up to make myself look presentable as much as I can. But the thing that I also realize during this quarantine is that I'm okay with no makeup. Like, I've learned to accept the fact that I don't look as bad with no makeup. I feel like I got to love myself a little bit more, and I've kind of let go of the fact that I have to look always okay. I mean, it's okay to let go every once in a while. I think that's good for our mental health, especially with things happening now. So I hope you guys are okay. Hope you guys are safe. So yeah, so I'm excited to share this. So this is not like a super in your face bonga makeup, but it's just a very natural but still snatched in many ways. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I brought you guys closer so you can see everything. So I already moisturized, at the same time put on some sunscreen. So I'm gonna do my brows. So I have the traditional Asian sparse eyebrows. Oh, first I'm gonna apply some primer. I bounce between my primers depending on my mood. So this is the BYS face primer with the gold flakes. Na-ano ko dito ni ate, na sales stock niya ako dito. But nourishing ingredients such as vitamin B3. Okay, BYS. So yeah, gagamitin ko pang kilay is the Careline Best Brow Liner. I've tried some, but I find myself coming back to this one kasi hindi agad nauubos to. Even though the tip, hindi siya ganun ka-fine, pero okay na siya sa akin. But anyways, so I'm gonna just groom this. My brows actually already grew ish, okay, ish, but they're still sparse. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I'm gonna fill in this brow para makita niyo yung difference. Looking back sa ibang videos ko, guys, ang kapal ng pagkakilay ko, and ngayon hindi na siya ganun kakapal, which I'm happy. It's looking a lot more natural. So what I like to do is actually just fill in the very tail ends. I think from all of my eyebrow reviews, nabanggit ko na yun, I always just fill in the tail ends, just so, you know, hindi siya ganun ka-harsh. Comparing this brow and this brow, I mean, it's not looking that bad. And then I take an angled brush. This one is from Ann Klutz, from the first brush collection she came up with. So, tas kung ano yung natitira galing dito, yun lang yung ilalagay ko sa pinaka harap. I know it's not looking too filled yet, pero gusto ko nag-foundation, tas doon ko i-adjust yung kilay ko para hindi siya, kasi malay mo, dagdag ka ng dagdag sa kilay mo, tas pag nag-foundation ka na and everything, sobrang kapal na pala. So, I try not to go overboard sa kilay ko. But lately, I've been using Sunglow by Fresh, so I already uploaded my review. And this one, wala na ako masyadong sasabihin kasi nasabi ko na lahat doon. Napakahaba ng video na yun. Kung kaya nyong panoorin siya, pwede nyo naman bilisan yung play speed kung ang dami kong daldal tulad ngayon. Pero, ayun. So, I mixed two shades, fair and medium. Then next is bronzer, contour, kung ano man. Yung favorite ko lately, ang hirap mag-makeup na naka-off shoulder. The BYS Matte Bronzer and Matte Bronze. Kaso nawalag siya. Ayusin ko pa siya. But anyways, besides that, yung gusto ko rin gamitin is tong BLK Multitasking Color Stick in Cacao. Kung ano nun. Warm up ko lang siya sa aking kamay and I blend my contour. I blend upwards to like really lift up your, and usually look straight forward din para makita nyo kung ano talaga yung areas na kailangan ng shadow. So I've been loving using the Skin Potions Glam Pocket and the Balm. Na-review ko na rin to guys if you guys wanna watch. But then after blush, dun ako nag-concealer. Tapos, if you really want to make yung blush nyo mag-last talaga, set it with powder. I'm using the Bilena Lasting Love Blush. Magsiset na tayo ng ating face. So, I use the Canmake Marshmallow Finishing Powder with just a fluffy brush. Inuuna ko yung mga areas na nilagyan ko ng concealer. So I like to use the Glam Pocket and the Balm, and I take the highlight and I kind of put it as like a nice wash all over the lids. So I just take that and kind of dust on. I don't know if you guys would see it, but like it's just adding definition. I don't know, it just adds something. A little something. I don't know if you guys will see, but it's like it's there but not there. I've been loving and living for that look. So I mean, I don't know, it just adds a bit of sparkle. It's just a nice kind of eye topper. Or I'm actually gonna take the BLK cream contour stick and cacao, however, and I'm just gonna pop it onto my crease. Sometimes I use powder for this one, but I love how cream kind of just diffuses so naturally. So yes, good see. After I put on my foundation, hindi ba mas filled in yung itsura ng aking kilay. So this is where you decide if you want to fill it in more or hindi. I do want a little bit more definition lalo sa kilay na to. So I'm gonna take an eyebrow powder, and I am using this one from BYS, their brow definition kit in number 202 Pow Brows. Number 202. Para sure na sure. And I'm gonna take, the darkest shade from this palette. Very, 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 very lightly. I don't want to go overboard. Then I like to take the BLK duo multi tint in Nutmeg. Kukunin ko yung water side na tint because it has matte and a water tint. And next is eyeliner. This is the Miniso Wear All Day eyeliner. Madami silang shades nito. Meron sila ng blue, which I really wanted. They also had like a purple one. So ito yung shade na 02 brown. May mas darker brown pa dito. So usually on like yung dati kong ginagawa, I actually do my eyeliner first, then mascara. But lately, mas nadadalian na ako ng mascara then eyeliner. I know, you know. So I don't really like super big wings. Gusto ko yung natural looking lang na wing. But lately, I've been loving the Sunglow by Fresh Sun Mist. You can use any, pero you can also use the highlighter here. Pero lately, I've always loved the BLK Shimmer Jelly Pot and Pink Amethyst. So, konti-konti lang, guys. So, kaya ko siya minis para medyo wet-wet pa yung skin. Sobrang ganda. And the more that you press sa skin mo, mas natural siyang lumalabas, which is great. So, lalagay tayo ng mascara sa ating bottom lashes para mas ganun pa siya. Okay, wait lang. Then, magsiset tayo ng Kilaiski. Favorite eyebrow setter is the EB Advance All Clear Mascara. Dalawa backup ko nito, guys. Paubos na nga. Actually, minsan, kapag like may meeting ako, I actually just set my brows with this one para medyo washang in place. Pero yeah. Nung nagpakilay ako once, tapos galing akong work. So, may makeup ako nun. So, tinanggal na yung kilay ko. Tinanggal nila kilay ko. But, yun, sabi ni ate, ang tindi ng pang kilay niyo, mama. Ayaw matanggal. So, it was this combo. Itong Careline na eyebrow plus this. Kasi talaga nahuhold niya yung hairs in place, which I love. Highlight sa inner corners. I'm gonna use also the BLK Multi-Pot. And lips. So, I'm gonna use the BLK, what you call this? All Day Lip in the shade Caramel. Then I like to kind of blur it. Press the lipstick sa lips talaga. There. And then, lately I've been loving lining my lips. So I'm using, this one is an oldie but a goodie. Nung simula pa ako nag-makeup, available na to. This is the Nishido Lip Liner in Rosette. We're not gonna overline, we're just gonna line our lips. And that's it. My quarantine soft glow makeup routine. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Like, very natural lang.